Alright, let's move on to the hand. For the hand, I'm not actually gonna extend from what I have from the arm, but rather I'm gonna go for the fingers first and then work my way backwards. Okay, so I'm gonna start from nothing and just a new quad draw, and I can start with the fingers. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna go for the first finger, the index finger. Okay. And you will be able to see that the navigation here is weird. We're not rotating around what we want to see. So one thing we can do is, after creating those two faces, let's hit the Q button and go to object mode, grab this model and hit the F button on the keyboard. Okay, and that's gonna recenter your the pivot to, oh, actually it's not there because we have symmetry on. Okay, so what we do is, let's go to the vertex mode and grab that vertex here, and then hit the F button. Oh, that's not gonna work either. Let's turn off the symmetry for now, and then just grab that vertex and hit the F button. You can see now your pivot is focused on there. Okay, the center of the camera is looking towards there. And let's go back to turn the object mode, the object X symmetry back on, and then we can go back to quad draw 2. Okay, all right. So let me create a circular shape around the base of my index finger. Okay, now I wanted to keep it at around 8 edges. Okay, but that can be more or less based on how dense you want your model to be. So let me make sure that I'm having 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or we can go to object mode and go to edge mode, double click. You can see we're getting 14, so I need one more. So let's go back and quad draw 2, and holding down control, let me add one more over here. Okay, and then you want to keep one of them towards the center of the finger. So this one, and that one will be the ones I use. Okay, so what that does is basically it's going to give you an option to make a connection here to the other side, like this. Okay. Actually, I just need one connection. Actually, I need that. So this line is going to be the line I use to make the connection here, and also that's going to go across the center of the finger all the way around. Okay. Alright, and then let me extrude out from there to the tip of the finger. Okay, and you want to find the center line in the middle here too, and just grab that and extend that with the 2 loop around it, right, to the other side, and connect. Okay, and then what's in the middle should be something like this, right? Just connect, have one more line across that loop you created, and just keep going, connect to the other side. Okay. So that's going to be the basic topology going all the way across, and we just need to fill in what's happening in the middle. So let me do that here real quick. So one more line here for this segment, and one more line here for this segment. Okay, those are important landmarks, and then I can keep blocking in some of the face here, and face here, and face here. Loops there, right? I can add 2 more loops towards the primary bending part at the primary bending area. I can have I think that's where it is, so 2 more loops over here. Okay, it's hard to tell. Let me lower down the alpha. I think that's where I sculpted, so let me control go back. And I wanted to add it here. Okay. And I'm gonna squeeze those guys in for that little crease down there. For the top, I can hold down Shift and smooth these guys out. Okay. So again, I can do the same thing for this segment. I can smooth them out first and then just bring these guys back in. Alright. So that's gonna be one finger. And then we can just move on from here and do all the other 3 fingers. Okay. So yeah, that's gonna be the finger parts, and I'm gonna stop here, and in the next video I'm just gonna fast forward on the rest of these fingers because those are gonna be the same thing going again and again and again. Alright, so I don't really want you to see me doing that while talking, right? That's not really necessary. Okay, so let me go ahead and do that in the next video.